What's good, YouTube? Shoot, man, I'm gonna show y'all how I get started on my grill right here. So I got these cubes, man. I'm gonna show y'all. These motherfuckers are nice. Look at that. Throw that right over there. Instantly. No lighter fluid. See, those are good, man. Weber lighter cubes. Go and get you some. Using this straight coals. 100% naturals. And there you go. Just let that smoke away. Then what I like to do is get me some of these. I'm going to soak these in water. Go get me a cup. Alright, let me get me a cup real quick. Give me 2 of these cups right here. So all you do, just fill them up with chips. Yeah, man, excuse the mess, man. I'm trying to record and do this. I know a lot of people always having problems doing this. Yep, alright. Got your chips. Oh, motherfucker. So good, so good. Ain't no one perfect, man. Can't complain. Accidents happen. Here we go. Alright. Get you some water. And these ones are the Mesquite smoking chips. I get them at my local grocery store. Fill those with water. That's good. Get this one. Oh yeah, this thing's about to be smoking. We about to be smoking. Let me put the phone down real quick. Let me clean up these chips. And this right here, man. It's a, Texas barbecue style. Texas barbecue style, man. I'm gonna let that just sit. My fire's getting ready. This is just how I prepare my barbecues. I'm cooking on my little smoker today, my little pit. Got old Rusty back there. Old Rusty. A little Smoky right here. That's a little Smoky. And yeah, man, just let that smoke up. Let that get ready. Pour you a little something up, man. Put a little something up in the cup. Put some drink in the cup. That's a drink, man. Now while I just kick back, gotta be careful, y'all, man. Y'all don't want to be around that smoke. That's that carbon monoxide. Just kick it. I'm gonna pause the video right here, man. Show y'all once everything's looking ready. Y'all be good though, man. Oh yeah, man. Shoot. Then that smoke up real nice. There's some good charcoal here. So we're about to see what we got going right here right now, man. Just let that, you know, get hot right there. Sitting on them inches, man. You know, I got that old Chevy. Sitting on them inches. All right, man. I'm gonna let that finish smoking up. Be right back with y'all. What's good, man? See, we getting hot over here. A little smoky, man. Old Rusty back there. See, old Rusty could cook, though. Old Rusty know what he's doing. Get in there, though. Get in there. Be back with y'all. All right, y'all. We about there. We get in there. You see that flaming now. Not really smoking no more. Let it do that for another good, 5 minutes maybe. 4 or 5 minutes. And then I have to make a part 2 of this, throw everything on the grill. Make a part 2, man. Yeah, we still got another little 5 minutes right there. Real hot right there, man. Oh, yeah. Then what you want to do right here, man, just, dip them in a little. That top get some. Make sure they soak that water. Soak that water up, But already, man, we looking too good right now already. So, looking real good. So, little crumbs. Alright, man, so I'm gonna let that get that two more minutes. I'll be back with y'all. Oh, we're good, YouTube. Shit, man. We ready. We ready. I should crack the towel. I know not to use towel next time. Just dump it in, man. Oh, yeah. I like that fire. It's a little fire, but I'm gonna get some more going. Like starting off the corns. Clean the grill off. Gotcha, man. Alright, man. I'm gonna get everything going right now. Y'all be back with me. Throw these corns on there. I'll be back with y'all. Peace, man. Part 2 coming soon, right now.